Hey everyone, this is TJ Askew and welcome back to my channel. And in today's episode, we're going to be going through downtown Naperville, outside of Chicago, Illinois, to show you how we can use the different lenses on the iPhone 11 Pro. So let's get into the video right now. So I'm here in downtown Naperville going through some of the sites, and I'll show you what the different photos look like at the different focal length on the lenses. So let's take a look at some of the sites here outside of Chicago, Illinois. Okay, so all you have to do, whether it's on photo or video mode, is it defaults to the one-time zoom, which is the regular wide-angle lens here on the iPhone 11 Pro or the iPhone 11. If you wanted to go telephoto, which is the two-time zoom, that's only going to be available on the iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max. But as you can see, it zooms you in. And if you press down on the bottom right here, the 0.5, that's the ultra wide angle lens. And as you can see, there's a lot more in this shot right here. And that's going to be the same either for the photo or video mode here on the iPhone. This is a look at the normal wide-angle lens here on the iPhone 11 Pro. It's kind of the size of the shot that you're going to get. Here's the same shot on the ultra-wide-angle. So as you can see, you're getting a lot more in the shot, although the quality and the distortion's a little bit different. You can see there's just a lot more in the picture. So there's a lot to see here in downtown Naperville. I'd like to walk through a little bit of the nature area and show you something that's a really cool feature here in our town. It's going to be a great feature for us to test out the different lenses on. Just want you to stay tuned. So as you can see here, I'm using the one-time zoom. That is what is known as the Millennium Carillon. It's an advanced bell tower here in Naperville. It's really tall, and I'm using the one-time zoom. So let's use the telephoto lens. It gets us a little closer. You can see that it's quite tall. Each one of these flags is probably about 7 or 8 feet tall, just so you can get an idea of how big this thing is. And if we want it all in the shot, you press the 0.5 to use the ultra-wide zoom lens here at the bottom. And this is what it looks like. You're getting a lot in this shot right now. You're getting all the flags for Veterans Day. You're getting the Carillon, which is gotta be at least a couple hundred feet tall, all in the same shot. So this is a brief look at just how much you can fit into that shot with the ultra wide lens on the iPhone 11 Pro. Alright, so there you have it. That was a look at the ways that you can use the different telephoto, wide angle, and ultra wide angle lenses on the iPhone 11 Pro. These same lenses, as far as the regular wide angle and the ultra wide, are going to be the same on the iPhone 11. And so that's why I think a lot of folks are going to end up getting that phone for their exclusive use. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you found something useful, or you found something new, I hope you'll hit the like button below. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. My job on this channel is to tell you about the best ways to get the most out of the technology that you already own. And I hope that you'll come along on the journey with me. Until next time, this is TJ Askew, signing off.